G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see ya. Today I've got for you guys a GL Triton Ute to try out and take for a bit of a spin, tell you the logo on it. After this I'm also going to do a couple of other videos, one on the tray, the toolboxes, the racking system, and what we can look at for a ute for that system, the best thing to suit us as tradies. The next thing I'm also going to talk to you about the difference in between a 4x2, so a two-wheel drive, or a 4x4, a four-wheel drive, and the comparison between the two. So stay tuned for both of those two after this. The GL Triton Ute is a great little runabout ute. 4-cylinder, 2.4 litre. So we get around about 400 to 450 Ks out of a tank. That depends if we're doing city driving or if we're doing country driving. The basic layout of the ute, come with me and check. So front of the ute, here we've got electric windows on both sides, the airbag, glove box is decent size, nothing too special, center light, obviously our sun visors, and then we come to steering wheel, airbag. This is really nifty. We've got voice control here. We've got pick up and put down, which has been great. You don't have to, what we can do with this system is actually press voice control and it programs into your phone. So you can actually tell it via the program. You don't even have to touch your phone on what you want to do. So I can send text messages. The voice recognition is really good. And the voice to text is also really good as well. So if I'm sending text or if I need to talk to somebody and I'm on the go going from site to site, it's been absolutely priceless. Electric mirrors, which has been really good. If I'm backing up into a site and everything's stacked in the back and I can't see, I'm able to reflect my mirrors out or in and be able to see where I need to be able to maneuver the car. All in all, it's been a great ute. Let's go have a quick look on the outside and then we'll take it for a quick spin. To look at the ute, you can see it's a pretty basic ute, nothing too special. No bull bar, just the front lights, no fog lights or anything like that. Stock standard wheels. Toolbox has been really good to have. Plenty of space in between the two and a very good racking system here. Another awesome part here is being able to stack things on top and be able to get this off really easily. We don't overstretch, so we're not going to hurt our backs. It's 2.4 length tray by about 17 to 1800 wide. Aluminium tray, which has been good, but again, I'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of a aluminium tray later on. Very sturdy racking system, which has been great. We can do those up with a little bolt on each side, and that's really sturdy. It won't go anywhere. The only problem that I did have with this, it just doesn't have a cage on the front of the tray protecting the driver and the passenger for anything that might slide inside the tray and go through that rear glass, the rear windscreen. So it's super important that when you get a car like this, you've probably seen my High Ace van review. Well, they actually have a cage that protects the driver and the passenger in the back of that, and on the back of my everyday ute, I also have a cage that protects those driver and the passenger inside that cabin. Another really good feature down here is that we've got toolboxes underneath as well. And it's got seals all around it. You do have plenty of space in here to be able to get another drawer system if you wanted to. Come with me and what we'll do is take it for a quick spin and check it now. Whoa! This one has a panther under the bonnet. Don't even worry about the lion. There's no bells or whistles with this drive whatsoever. Being a 4-cylinder, there's nothing too special about it. It does its job, it does its well. It's a good runabout vehicle. Turning circles, okay for a ute, nothing too special. As a work ute, it's fantastic. You can do whatever you need to do with it. It takes a fair bit of weight in the back also. Great towing capacity, definitely a must if you're a tradie or especially an apprentice up and coming and you want to start your own business. This is a great starting vehicle. One of the best parts about a two-wheel drive vehicle like this is that it only costs half the amount of a four-wheel drive. It doesn't cost as much to run and it doesn't use as much petrol either. It does take E10 fuel, which is great. So if you want to think about helping the environment, any little bit helps. So E10 petrol does help. in its own little way. Look what Brazil's done with their ethanol petrol. They're saving their environment one car at a time, just by changing their cars to ethanol. Aircon system, very basic again. Damn right, it is such a good size tray when you want to get a lot into it, and for a runabout, a 2.4 by 1800 is fantastic. It's basically 2 pallets. You can put a few extra leaves in the suspension as well, which also gives it a little bit extra boost and lift. All in all, it's a good car, definitely worth having a look into if you're looking at a 2-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Until next time, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.